I have an existing coin design I want to duplicate. Can you do that? Absolutely. Just shoot us an email with the existing design proof, art files, or a clear, detailed photo of both sides of the coin, and we'll take it from there. If you've ordered custom challenge coins through us before, simply provide the original order number so we can pull your old design files and get your new coins underway. We can also make changes to your design, such as updating the year. We need as much information about the design as possible in order to accurately recreate it when we manufacture your coins. So, if you're having us replicate an existing coin design manufactured through another company, here's what we need in order of preference: the original design files, preferably in vector format, the final design proof from the other company, clear, close-up photos of both sides of the coin, or a physical copy of the coin mailed to our home office. If you have any questions about duplicating a coin design, feel free to reach out to a salesperson. Order a new set of custom challenge coins today at challengecoinsforless.com.